Hello guys, ayan. Tamang paglinis ng sink. Wash. Ayan, wash, rinse, and sanitize. So, ganyan ang gagawin natin guys. So, kailangan mo nang i-wash. And then, ito yung pang rinse. Ito yung pang wash. Ayan. So, i-wash natin yung kailangan i-brush. Ayan. Ayan. So, and next is i-rinse natin. Yan. Itong pang-rinse. Diba? Yan. So, ito yung rinse. Yan yung steps ng pag-cleaning ng sink. And then, the third one is sanitize. So, press lang na natin ito. Yan. So, ito yung sanitize. So, yan. Ito yung last final steps. Yan yung sanitize. Yan. So, that's a sanitize. Ito ang 3 steps ng paglinis ng sink dito sa aking workplace. Yan guys. So, para yung bacteria is that's how. Thank you for watching guys.